I have started record.
Okay. Um, Hi, this is a pairing session on accessibility, adding accessibility checks for feature specs, and we are working today with. It's a pairing session with Rajan. Me and Rajan are pairing on this user views issue spec. So, yeah, that's what we're working on. Let's just open this uh, on our local working area. And what we have to do is add a spec. So when we are adding a spec, it should be
I guess,
as,
Deepika, this
yeah.
is user visits board spec. I guess we have two issues in line, so I mean,
Okay.
you
Yeah.
mentioned the
So we
user.
can use this one. Okay, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, we
correct.
can start with that.
So we'll start with this one. So we have to, just in case this one gets finished early, but we have to see because it's not sure. Okay, so this one is a small one. Okay. So user views issue spec. Context page to have link new issue. Page to be accessibility. Okay, from the archive. Where should
We,
we add it?
yeah, we can have one more context, I guess, for accessibility.
First, we'll add it in the should pass accessibility checks. To and okay. Yeah, let's let's just do this for now, and we'll see what all issues we are facing.
Right,
And if it is, I think this one targets the whole page.
whole page.
So we will have some issues and we'll see how it goes. So let me just copy the uh in our spec. Um, in our spec this and see how it goes with the project. So if it passes here, we'll add the same
Right.
in the other condition, other context. So
I guess there are few collapsible uh, list box which may fail. Uh,
yeah, I think let's see how many. If there are less, I think we can do it right now. There are multiple. Then let's see how big they are. I'm not sure if we can focus it on a particular page, on a particular section of the page in this issue because the
right.
name of the spec is like user will use issue. So I think we will have some issues here.
Should we target also the, I mean, sidebar, or sidebar is fine? I mean, the super sidebar, or we should only target the screen, our user.
I think we should. This will take the whole HTML in account.
Right.
So it will take all the HTML sidebar or not sidebar.
Hmm. Then we can just, I mean, focus on the
Have the
detail.
yeah, maybe yes, we can do it on issues. Mm. Let's see what is the selector for issues.
Right.
Till then, it is running. Mhm. Oh, no issues. Hmm.
There is container.
I think this one class, but then yeah, I think this one.
Uh,
This no, not this one. This one because we don't want to. I think because this is also part of issues only.
right.
If we are targeting the whole page,
Right.
then it should be this one content wrapper within class content wrapper.
sidebar might be uh,
Yeah,
differently.
it's managed from, yeah. I mean, it will test right now. I think it should be testing the whole page. But if you want to focus, if there's something that we are seeing on the sidebar, that should
Hmm.
be tackled separately. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Okay, so there are not supported driver.
Okay.
I have no issues. It's the same thing related to GDK update. Not supported driver. Do I have to update my Chrome driver because it was running fine the other day? Uh, 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 uh. Can I'll try to run another spec. Maybe, but I don't think we have to manually update the driver while
Hmm. You have removed it from the cask, right? You are not using it from a brew cask because they have removed that dependency.
um, when because it was running till Friday. Hasn't there been any update on the weekend?
Okay.
I don't know any change because I was running on
I have not got this that error actually.
driver not supported. Not supported driver.
Okay, now my GTK is also getting successfully fetched.
Okay, yeah, till time then.
Hmm.
Hopefully, let's see.
Not supported by driver. 34th line. What's the 34th line? Okay, it is complaining about X clean. So is there anything we have uh,
Do we have to,
forgot
do
to
we
import?
have to? No, no, we don't have to import any dependency.
Mhm.
I think it may need within or something. Is it always? Because I think no page has ever used it with Axe Clean.
Is colon JS supported? There is one extension.
Which one? Sorry.
We need to have JS, right? Over there. Let me share it.
Is it dependency or what?
I don't know.
I think, yeah, maybe it is because of, maybe okay, but we can do it. We can try to have an idea and see if it is the page whole Axe Clean. Is it that? Then, um, what? Then content upload. I think there was some other input.
Okay. For boards?
Boards it ran. So I think
Hmm.
BX is not running successfully. I've added a selector.
Okay.
So is there any page where the whole page is tested successfully? BX clean. No, I don't think so, right? There's always a within selector.
Right.
Maybe it always needs a within selector. Maybe
Right. Right. That might be the case.
that might be the case, I guess. Something here. Hmm. Because the above one gave me some. Is this a flaky test? Why isn't it running in master?
No, it has not been failing since 2 times, but there
What's
were no
happening?
matches.
I'm not sure what's happening, but I don't know. I can't run this test.
It's
Not
still
support.
failing? Okay.
It's still in. Not supported driver. I'm not sure what's happening. Am I putting the it? Is there something wrong that I'm doing?
To be X clean within, let me compare actually. Can you run the to-dos one? I mean, we I mean, worked on that last week, so it should work.
Yeah. Can you? What are you saying? Should I
We
do that again?
the
This.
to-do selector one, yes,
Yeah. This was running fine within 2 days.
right, last week.
Yeah, I'll run this one. Right, this one. Let me run this one again. Is your GTK running? Till then, we can maybe try. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just
And then
trying.
yeah. I don't know what's happening, but I will
Just let me check.
try.
You issue your issue, use issues, right? Operative path. I put it for I mean to run the case. Let's see. I mean if it runs on my machine, then we will just add X clean and try then.
Weird that it's just throwing this on this. But
Uh, I was telling that can you try importing JS or colon JS? I mean the
where?
in the upper part.
Here,
Yeah, it is
this.
highlighted. Right, right.
Okay, feature category.
So that might be the case. Right.
Maybe yeah, maybe because it's a to-do run. I think this one will run fine. Which we worked on last. Oh no,
No,
there's something wrong going on. I'm not sure what that is,
uh,
but
this time it failed for oh
it's
this time
running
it
for other. Yeah, it's running some
okay.
other use case, but not for this spec. Okay. What I'll do is I'll run this again after adding the JS dependency. I haven't used this. This may sound very foolish. I don't know what that does.
I had one case. I mean where it was failing for I mean some JavaScript error. So I'm not sure
So
whether
it
it might be
does
the same case.
say evaluate script. I think that might be the case because it says evaluate script. I'm not sure what that. Oh, it's failing on
It's
this
still
one.
failing. Okay. So user view issues is passing for me. Just let me put.
Oh, it's passing. Wow. With JS dependency.
No, no, no. I have not put any JS dependency right.
That's okay.
Yeah, I'm.
Maybe I think Axe needs.
um, uh,
I think this is running. Because I did see one. No, this was
Failed.
not. No, because I also saw. Let's see. Takes ages to run. Okay, so we have three. At least it ran. Yes, I think.
It failed for our case. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
We just needed the
No
dependency.
elements found for include in page context. What does that mean?
Uh, the page context might be different. I mean, uh, should we check by running in browser and see what page is
Yeah, yeah,
actually
yeah.
opening? I
Yes,
mean, we
yes,
might
yes.
be wrong about actual page.
It's headless driver, right? WebDriver, headless.
Yes.
Mm. It's I don't know why it's failing for other use cases. No elements found to include in page context. Yeah, it's better to see what it's running.
Sorry.
I think I should have a couple of more coffees in the morning. I'm still
Okay. Let's just be putting the detail page. Okay.
yeah, it is an issue only.
So at least we are sure that.
What we'll do is we can focus. Let me remove within right now. Let's see if it after JS import.
Hmm.
Let me remove within for now, I think.
It will check the whole page.
There's a 404 or something.
Okay.
Is it a
Share.
shared example?
Right. Right. That is a shared example
No.
on page.
That's what it is. Let me just remove within for now. Because there was some 404 and I'm anyways getting some issues in my like weird, not related to what changes we've made, which is fine. It happened. Let me think. Two string, but it is showing some missing properties though, right?
Right. So I have got actual errors after running in
Yeah.
it in
So
web I mean headless browser.
do you want to share your screen? Let me just.
Sure. Yeah. So let me share again. All right. Okay. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, nice. This is
Hmm.
nice. This is
Right.
something that.
Correct. But it has failed for some other thing also. I'm not sure. It should we should have
Yeah,
it
it's. I think we should. I think this is not related.
right
Let's just try
because
to focus on this six accessibility. So this is the whole page.
right. So we have this we have targeted content wrapper over here
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right now. Should we check whether we need to I mean still narrow down our selector? Can put
I
it.
think this page, uh, we can put binding try here and debug, but I don't think we should do it for this spec.
No, no. I mean, we just need to check what selector we can target on. I mean, content wrapper might be a, I mean, broader scope for us.
No, but for this spec, I think user views
Hmm.
issue spec, this is the correct
Okay.
broader scope because the earlier ones were they were just focusing on small buttons or something. Right now,
Hmm.
the spec is user view spec.
Okay.
So we can try for other the narrowed down, but let's see if we can fix the six accessibility violations and if they're taking too much time, let's see
Hmm.
how big they are
Right.
because
I mean,
fasting not
right.
big
I will
one.
just rerun it to, I mean, avoid the
Yeah, yeah.
others. I mean, otherwise
No,
we will just focus on anything else.
no, but this is going to be a good exercise to see how to fix the accessibility violations because that's
Right.
something that's the trickiest part. That's what.
Right. I'm just opening any issue in my project,
Mhm.
so we can also have a good view on that. Open the parent link issue. So we have sidebars and everything. So, as you said, we are targeting right now content wrapper. Okay.
Is this linked work? Okay, not the right. It's
Right.
okay. We can talk about that later. It's fine. Okay, let's focus. Area allowed attribute elements not using area allowed attributes critical. Selected nodes, work item links. Can we open work item links right now?
Okay.
Mhm.
Data set study work item links. Okay. What it is complaining about? Fix any of
Area attribute is not allowed.
yeah attribute is not allowed. Okay.
Selected tasks. Where is the selected task? Hash tasks. Selected tasks.
As task.
That is the ID. Sorry. ID is equal to task.
Right.
You can search for ID is equal to task. Tasks. Tasks, I think. It's not task,
No,
it
no.
is.
I mean, yeah. This is widget wrapper, so it should be in widget wrapper. So what we have done is we pass the widget name over here, and then uh, the widget wrapper name is over here. So I have passed task from there. So ID is tasks over
So
here.
it's okay. So this is this area expanded. Can you remove this area expanded is open string
Yeah.
from the widget wrapper? Let's see if it passes. I'm not sure. And what else is the issue? Yes, the repercussions we can see we're just fixing. I don't know how it will affect. We will have to see the UI also if it affects in some way. What is
Right.
the what is the selected GL card? Is it in widget wrapper?
No, I guess it is part of uh, in underlying component. No, the GL card is not over here. I mean, GL card. Uh, is it part of work item links itself?
I don't know because I haven't worked with
Yeah.
it.
No, it is not part of it. Okay, sorry. Let me rerun it.
The
I
file.
mean, we have removed the
Can we see? Can you comment the errors, please, again?
yes.
Mm.
Should I keep the one window for only errors? I mean,
Yeah,
just
yeah,
to
yeah,
re-verify.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
I should remove the WebDriver headless actually. Uh, we don't need it right now.
Yeah, we don't need that.
Okay. So yeah, that error
Yeah,
I think it's
yeah,
gone.
that,
But I mean, are we correct? That
yeah, we
because
can try. We will obviously see the work item links.
uh,
That's a div, right? Do we need that area expanded on widget wrapper?
uh,
We can use the screen reader before and after also, which is
hmm,
obviously we'll have to check. What is this GL card? I think it's
div GL card GL overflow hidden are expanded true. I guess it should be part of some component. I'm not sure which component. Let
can you
me check
search
over
for
here.
this? Can you search for the same line that is seen in the code?
Okay. Uh,
Like come on the errors page, yeah.
uh,
Yeah, just like this much, yeah.
Sorry.
Let's see in the code. There.
Mm,
Not in the spec. I think files to include you only included spec. Can you remove the filter from the VS code? Files to that's exclude. Okay. Oh, sorry.
it just excludes the. I
Is
mean,
GL card a component, right? Where is GL
right,
card?
right.
Where
So
is GL card component? Is it used in? I think it is used in the page somewhere. I remember
yes,
some
it is targeting this part. So
related issues block.
okay. We are actually checking. Uh, uh, I mean, child component, but there is one parent component of it that is. Let me search for related issues
Yeah,
actually.
yeah.
Related issues block. Okay, I've got that. Yes.
Yeah,
So
this is
this is GL card. So we have also passed ARIA expanded over here.
hmm.
I just if we remove this,
Actually for card expanded is not required. That is a true. That
right?
is definitely a valid feed. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Should I rerun?
But definitely, yeah, you can just remove it. But definitely, we will have to like regression test it at least for widget wrapper open. I think that's a div. I don't think it will cause any issues, but we
Hmm.
will have to test with screen reader also. I think so.
Right,
This is a good example. Like this targets the whole page. So
correct. Which screen reader we are targeting right now? Is there any documentation related to that?
no documentation. I just tried the Mac
NVIDIA?
screen in inbuilt screen reader in
Okay,
Mac.
inbuilt used.
Yeah, we can test before and after. Before it was it should be the same because area expanded true and false is only for accessibility. So it should not
Correct.
cause any UI issues, but definitely it might cause a difference in how the screen readers read it. So there's still six. You fix them, you
No, no, no.
remove.
I mean, this is the old page. It is still running.
But okay, I think we can run it together first. Let's just remove everything and then yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
it is
file.
gone at least. But
Yeah.
I'm let's see. Uh,
Hidden focus. So the next one is area hidden element must not be focusable on certain focusable elements.
is it visible to you? I mean, or should I zoom it? I'm more like.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, that is better. Thank you. I should have told this to you before.
Yeah,
I'm just in the screen. Yeah. User content description header. The following focusable content should have tab index -1 or remove from the DOM. User content description header. Can you search for the selector? User content description header. Yeah. Where is this user content description header?
it is in uh, user views open request. Yes,
Spec.
this might be dynamic. I mean, it should be dynamic. So
Yeah,
let me search for description header.
yeah. Oh, or is it a GFM thing? I don't know.
No, no, there is a description form actually.
Yeah,
But this is
that
sorry,
is
this is
right.
design description form. Sorry, this is not it. Uh, should be some dynamic kind of thing.
Can you search it on the HTML?
Uh,
Inspect, yeah, find it on the HTML. Control F. No,
no, it is not in my.
it is hidden right now. Can you edit description and see? Edit the description.
Okay.
And now can you I think
Sorry, I had clicked something.
that's fine.
Hmm.
Now control F, no.
Where should it get in? Class
User
content.
content, task links, user content. I think there is something we prevented from. What you can do is
Hmm.
this user content is same in all three. I think it is being appended, like the task, the ID is being created dynamically somewhere. So description header, it is a component where we are passing some props. Can you
Okay.
search for user content, only user content somewhere? Because the names, see, there is some user content related issues
Hmm.
in the second one. IDs will user content related issues block.
Right.
So
Uh,
right here.
right. What is the name of our user description head?
In the third one, at least the third, if you see, can you
Okay.
open the errors? The third one, at least we can find the
This one.
errors in the. Can you open the terminal? Terminal. Yeah.
Yes.
Third one, user content related issues are here. The
Yes.
third, yeah, actually real decoration one.
Focusable content should have tab index 1 minus 1 or be removed from the DOM. Okay. We can target that first. I mean,
Yeah, at least we can see. Yeah,
user content. Okay. Okay.
link.
So is
Area
it
hidden.
because we have ARIA hidden true?
Yeah. It is hidden,
Mm-hmm.
and it is saying that not focusable or contain focusable elements. So it's hidden.
So I guess we should have a tab
Do we
index.
have tab index here? No, I think the link automatically has a tab index. The GL link component
Mm-hmm.
automatically adds a minus one, tab index minus one.
Okay.
But what it is saying is that if it's true, why is it adding minus one? So I think that it's a GitLab UI. I don't know all the links. So can you remove area hidden true from there? But area hidden,
They have kept it for a purpose. I mean,
yeah. I'm just thinking
must be fun.
GL link. What link is that? Basically, what link is that?
Let me open it.
No.
User content related issues. This
So
should be
these
link.
all three of them are GL link issues.
Right.
Definitely.
I mean, oh yes, that is an anchor. If I have,
GL link yeah. So basically, the component GL link internally translates because when it is
hmm,
yeah, when it is rendered, it automatically just because the component
right,
as an anchor.
right, it is an anchor. So I
Yeah,
mean,
it's
that is the
an
tab
anchor.
index minus one, and
Yeah.
I hidden true.
Yes.
So okay,
If you so basically what the what they are trying to say, the error is trying to say that if it is hidden true,
hmm,
why is it focusable?
right.
When we press tab, it should not be focusable.
Is it
So
coming?
basically, tab index minus one is being added by the GL link
Right,
component. So tab
right,
index minus one should not be there, or area hidden true should not be there. So
right.
both of them. And I think this is something that we need to fix in the UI component, I guess. I guess so. But
Okay.
we can definitely ask this. We can keep this point. We can discuss. I think
Mm-hmm.
this is a takeaway.
Okay. I'm just putting in my notes
Yes.
to so that we
I
can.
think we can discuss in the group and then fix it in the UI component, I guess, for that. It should be true, right? It's not visible. Can we go back to the page? Is the anchor ever visible?
No, no, it is not visible. In fact, I mean, it just anchors to the content actually.
Can you click
So
on linked items? What 00? What does this? There's nothing inside the
no,
anchor.
no,
Oh,
no, there is nothing inside the anchor. It
was
is
it ever there? Do you know? Was it ever like my question is, was there ever will there ever be, or was there ever a case where we have a scrollable link to the linked items or tasks? I
yeah.
don't know.
So I had discussion with Flory and Nick. uh, for one of the issues.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean we had to add a linked item anchor over here.
Okay.
So at first we were not sure whether we should put anchor or not, but Nick specified that people are used to uh, linking, I mean, these cards earlier for issues, so they might need it. I mean, users might be using that.
Okay. So I think for now we can area hidden true. It's not doing anyway anything. Do you think it's better to just like remove it if it's not needed? This is I don't think it's doing anything.
Mm,
I don't know. Or
Let me check. I mean, let me show you one example. So let's say I've shared you an related link. So it does the scrolling at least.
oh, okay, it does that. Yeah, that's what I was asking. So okay, it does the scrolling, but
Right.
inspect with no one will ever get a link from the UI. It's not a
Hmm.
link.
We can search it once for this thing. I mean, they have suggested something. Can check it once. I mean, what should we do about anchor links? I mean, uh, links.
Content made unfocusable through tab index.
The following example will fail. Yes, it failed.
Yeah, that will fail.
But
My point is, if even if we remove area hidden true, my question is, uh, but then the screen reader will read it. So
right.
I think we should remove it from here. I don't know how to fix it. From my
Hmm.
point of view, I think it should be removed, but yes, it will be required in future. So if I think it should be fixed in the component, and if the area hidden is true, then tab index should not be added in the component. Yeah,
Okay. So okay, we will check
scaling.
that in GitLab UI. I'm just mentioning it in.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We can ask once in the group.
Yes, yes,
They
yeah.
will check. So yeah, that might be right because I have seen anchor links to be focused somewhere in some site.
Hmm.
So because it has some purpose, so it should be, I mean,
I think
at least
yeah, it's
focusable.
either we remove it, but maybe if it's working as intended, if we need it in future, then tab index should not be added to area hidden components. So I think that will be fixed in should be fixed in the GL link component. But yeah, we can discuss it.
Okay,
Okay. Buttons must have discernible text.
but
GS
still,
drop down toggle.
yes, sorry,
Element does not.
sorry, just
It's fine. Element does not have inner text but is visible to screen readers. Area label attribute does not exist or is empty. Which one is this? So JS drop down toggle is a very generic
hmm,
selector.
correct. GL button. I'm just checking if we have create merge request
Yeah,
in.
just create merge request toggle.
Yes, is it something- I can open that.
I think yeah, that should do it.
Okay, so it is a pajama component again. I mean, GitLab UI component. What is this asking for? Uh,
Button GL button element does not have inner text and is visible to. Can you inspect in the HTML?
hmm. Element does not have inner
That
text
gives the
visible to screen.
yeah.
Okay. I mean that must be case of
But
color contrast. It is
the
talking about this
button
button, yes.
the button has a
Or
stand. Can you go to the errors again?
it is talking about this, I guess. Sorry. So this is the JS drop down toggle button.
Is there no
Text actually.
text inside?
Okay, I
I
guess
think we
we
can
just
have buttons without text. Can you have a look at the GitLab UI button? I think this issue will not be there for GitLab UI buttons. For example, I don't know, is there a GitLab UI button here? Move issue. Can you inspect move issue? I'm not sure if it's a GitLab UI button. Yeah, inspect. There's a button, type button. Oh, the text is there, nah. Sorry. We need a button with only an
Only
icon.
right. This
That
is
will be the case for header action, though. That is also not merged. God.
we have this one time tracking button which have only icon over here. So
Yeah.
yeah, it has title type button class. It doesn't
Not
have
button.
any ARIA attribute. Uh,
What is the difference between the two?
I guess there is a title over here. So it might, does it have title? So it might be missing a title, I guess.
Can
So
you try adding a title here?
yeah. Mm, okay. Yeah, there is no title for that. Mm,
Area label attribute. Display static. Who says display static dynamic? Every display static. Every
yeah.
HTML is God.
So okay, let me check. I'm not much worked on Hamel.
25 in line number 25.
Yes, but
The button option section
should I directly put over here or I should put it in the button options, right?
Yeah, I think that should be.
Okay. So I'm just adding a title.
No worries, till the time I will also see how to add that.
Okay. And for button title, we just need the button name. I mean, the text for the button. Data. Uh,
Yeah, just the title like this.
okay.
And you can also put area label size
Mm,
value. I'll
yes.
give an example.
Mm-hmm.
Button component. And there's area label. Also, area label and title should be the same. Let me give you this copy. And should I give it in Slack or Zoom?
Zoom is fine. I mean,
Yeah,
okay.
just put anything in the button options only.
Okay.
After class, just a comma and inside the button options. Yes.
Okay. I'll put it outside.
Not here, not here. Yeah, maybe yes. Am
In the
I
button option.
in the button options, not in the data one?
No, no, no. I'm not putting in that option. Okay.
Title and
So
label. Just put any.
yeah.
What should be the title here? You can just
Uh,
try with open options. You can try. What does it do
yeah. Okay.
basically?
Okay.
Just look.
Let's try that first. I'm just rerunning it.
Yeah, what happened?
Mm, okay. We have reached the third one. So it should not now complain. Okay, we should check on the UI itself. Is it reflected or not?
Yeah, but then you should also run the tests.
Right. Kept it for test only.
Okay. Yeah, till the time we can test it.
Oops.
Request
Failed
failed.
for 500. I'm not sure why it failed. Did it put our title in that? Hmm. hmm. Oops. Okay, there are only four now.
Yeah,
So
so
we have at least. So that was
yeah,
the issue, I mean.
that was the issue. But you can just change the appropriate area label attribute. Okay. Heading levels should only increase by one. This is heading order applying.
Again,
GL
task.
tasks, GL card, H3, fix any of
Okay.
the following header order invalid. Can you inspect the tasks, GL card, header, etc.? What is the heading order in task? Inspect in tasks. What is the heading order? Div H3.
Yes.
Oh, inside an H3 an anchor is there,
There
is
is an
it?
anchor. Right. But
So
it is complaining about the, I guess, I mean, this should be H2, I guess. After H1, there is directly H3. This is H1.
oh,
And in
we can't do
hierarchy,
that.
we directly have H3. So it should be H2.
But we can't do that.
Uh,
I'm
no,
not, I'm pretty sure, but design wise we can't have an H2 because that's either we don't put H header
mhm.
and put it as a div or something and style it.
But it will still complain about the header actually. I have changed it to
No,
H2, but
the styling will change, right? If you change to H2.
I think it already have some text decoration. But
Oh, is
I
it?
mean, no, no.
Okay.
Due to link, I guess it is not changing. No, I guess it is not changing. I mean, the text is not changing.
Okay. Can you try it in code?
Sure.
Because the styling, wow. So why have you put it in header? If it's just weird, God. That's just
Right, that
so
should be
weird.
the
God. Oh my
uh,
God.
let me
Funny. This
sure.
is going to expose a lot of things.
Right.
I wish there was we are looking at it, but now I'm thinking if there's so many issues, I wish like
There are so many examples for that. If you see, there are I mean contents over
yeah,
here.
exactly.
Yeah, I'm not sure each if everyone is
Yeah, because
everything.
no one is having a look at all these issues because no one like there is no
Uh,
tool. That's why we like that's so good. That whenever we review an MR also we will know
right.
what kind of issues we will face. Now you can check on tasks. I think you can open widget what kind of links or widget wrapper somewhere it will be
Right.
there.
It should be. I mean, I was not sure, but
Well,
I guess
I
it should be a new card title. Yes, there is an H3 over here.
yeah. I don't know why there is an H3. Even why there is an H2. If there's not, just put a div if you, I don't know why, like, why is there a, why a
Right.
wrapper was needed if it's
But
not the same thing.
we should have a header, right? I
Wha-
mean,
I'm not sure. It's not, yeah, maybe. But the header, it's a part of a section.
hmm,
I'm not sure. It's not doing anything to the,
right.
wow.
Let me rerun the test actually.
It will run. But I'm pretty sure, Rajan, we will have to do a lot of regression testing for the changes that we are making. So, do
Definitely. I mean, uh, did it start?
you do you think that we should focus it for? Do we have a feature? Do we have particular feature specs for these small components that we like for linked widgets, etc. If we do
No,
all,
I mean, we can, yes, we can definitely, I mean, uh, narrow down the scope because
I think if we there
targeting.
must be a feature spec if there is no issue. So okay, what like at least for this is something that we it kind of straightforward. So what I'm thinking is
Mhm.
if there is not an issue right now created for if there's a one thing if there's a feature spec or not for these tasks, I think you may know there are right
Mhm.
or they're not for linked widgets for tasks and linked widgets whatever issues that we are facing if there's not an issue create an issue and fix them in that issue.
Right,
What do you think about this?
right. I
Other
mean,
than just targeting the whole page, it's okay. It's just something that we found out. It's not we have to finish one
hmm,
like because we know that it will spiral off very quickly. So we have to be very
specific about those things.
careful. Yeah. So I think if there is already an issue for linked, is already a feature spec existing for linked widgets and tasks.
There
All
is.
the widgets and tasks issues, we'll fix that and we'll close those issues before coming to this one.
It makes sense actually. We can
Right?
target the small widgets, right?
Yeah. So let's just target that, and we know the issues that will face in that, right?
Right.
Links must be distinguishable in color and everything. So most of them are related to these two widgets, right?
Hmm.
So I think it will be good. and then there will be separation of concerns and know what the issues are. Are there feature specs for this? That is one thing where if there is not, then
There
we
is
have to.
for linked items, I know. Uh,
Okay.
there
Then
is
I
one
think we can
for
focus on that. What so if there is no issue for linked items, we can create an issue
uh,
and fix it and add axe clean testing there. And then we can
right,
move forward. I think it's good. Yeah. And for GL link, we can ask in group.
right,
Yeah. So that was a good pairing session, I think, because these are multiple
correct.
issues coming because we're targeting I think that's the first issue that I've also seen when we're targeting the whole page and seeing the number of issues that we encounter. So
Right.
that's good.
What I will do, I will assign that issue to me. The user, I guess it isn't the main issue, right? User
Yeah,
reviews. I can make small task for each widget,
no.
and then
What I'm saying is, we
hmm,
cannot create small tasks is because the scanner automatically must have found out the warning, right? Can you open the scanner, accessibility scanner? If the
do
feature
we have
spec
the
is already existing, uh,
okay,
then
okay.
it must automatically have found out that problem error, and there is already yeah, I think it is missing axe feature suit or test. Yeah, click on this, click, yeah, abuse. This is only abuse report. What is,
There are 807 issues in that, I
yeah,
guess.
click on, yeah, this is in 873 findings. So why have you made any changes to show the description also? Missing axe feature test. Can you
Uh,
click on the max? So my point is we cannot create tasks because we should create an issue from here. It should automatically have found the,
hmm, hmm, hmm.
yeah. Let's open. These are the are not detected. Can you click on this?
Which
Can you
one?
click on orange? This or missing for is that an EE link task is an EE feature or not?
Link task is not an E feature.
Okay. Then click on this Axe feature tests. Yeah, click on this. Uh, I think what are the files? See, you can see the issue, for example, here. It says the issue number at the top, right?
Right.
So in case the issue is not created, the issue number is not there, and we should create an issue from here only.
Okay. Yes, there is a button. Yes.
Yeah. So
There's a
that is
link to.
scanner for. So if we create tasks, then the scanner is useless.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
There must be something we can. There's no issue. There's no to search, I guess.
Mm,
Is
I guess
there a
I'm
feature
not
to?
sure if this filter helps.
Yeah, can you try? Yes, I don't know. I know there is
Okay.
a SCIM is a particular language, so I
Okay. I have not used it yet.
even
Uh,
I'm not very
okay.
sure
Username.
about using that.
It should have uh,
What is the name of the feature spec? First of all, let's find out what is the name of the feature spec.
linked
That is
items for
item.
linked items.
For linked items, yes.
Linked item. Uh, linked items. Spec. Yes. No. Is it? No.
This
It
is
is besides work item spec. So I knew that. I need that spec shed. Uh, features. Yeah.
linked hook item spec.
This is the one.
So
Work
it is,
item link specs. Copy path. Should I search this? In
yeah, but it will not. I don't think so. That is
no.
the
I'm just searching it in
yeah. Yes. You can do that. Yes.
no.
Control F. Yes, Control F. If the in the drawer also it can show Control F.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Uh,
In the right drawer also if they be existing.
no. It is not searching in that.
Okay. Can you
I
check
mean,
in the HTML? Control inspect
sure.
maybe. But I think it will find not the correct way of doing it. Definitely, I think so. I think I will have to control F. No.
No. So We might have to learn some SCM filter.
Or maybe we can ask while can you click on the question mark icon?
While
Com-
example filter.
Violations, example
Okay.
filters. What are the example filters? Can you check violations? Example filters, the first one. First one.
Okay.
Click on it and what it is.
Okay. It is giving us example like extra dot severity equal error like that.
Okay.
So should
Compliant test. Can you click on the second one? Second example filter. Severity, compliant test. And the third one, useful. Okay.
one.
Severity and path. Oh, okay. Can we give a path?
Yes.
We have a path, right? Can you copy the path of that? Not like this. No, you cannot give users or something.
Yeah. I mean.
I know. Just remove users. Just keep it till project.
Yeah. We have searched that.
It is
Ye-
there.
Yes.
Yay. Now you create the issue. Now create the issue.
Okay.
And yes, now we just
Okay.
created assign. Now you
Should,
can work on this first. Or
sure.
if you want my like I can also work. It's just
Yeah, it's
something.
fine. I mean,
Yeah.
if we target small issues, then it will be
Yes,
much
yes.
better.
Yeah. So we can fix this one
Okay.
and put an axe check and then fix all the issues here and then we can come back to the user
Should
page.
I directly create it or I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Create it.
Okay.
Because the template has already been set.
Right.
See, and
Great.
that is product accessibility. See, so that's why if we create tasks, then this accessibility scanner, that's why we've created the accessibility
Mm-hmm.
scanner will be easier to because that will see the code that if the
Right.
access is there. So we should not create tasks. We should only follow this. So
Mm.
yeah,
Should we also link it to that main issue, or I mean that is fine? Or the
we
tags
can
rule
do
will
it.
happen.
Yeah, yeah, we can do it.
Okay. I will just add one.
Well, no, no, not here, not here, not here. This is
Okay.
the epic.
Yes, this is the epic.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Oh, you are talking about the issue itself.
user views issues. Yeah, yes.
Okay. There should be some description kind of thing.
Yeah.
Nothing much happened. Okay. Okay.
It's okay. We can just write in the issue that we will come back to this after fixing
Right.
this. Write a comment, yes.
Um, the,
That was some good, like, at least.
I mean, I'm just mentioning why we are doing that. As
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah. It's just write a comment. We can write a comment. And we can then
scope of whole
hence working
detail.
on that particular issue number before
Yeah.
coming back to this.
Right. Will target. I just mentioned the issue ID.
You can see it's already there. 4 2 hash. Okay, it's fine.
Okay. Switch. This is the switch. I mean, rich text editing is quite helpful. I mean, it also helps to we can target ID first, and we'll cover other issues consecutively. Is this fine? I mean, or should I add more information?
No, no, no. That's fine.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay.
Yeah, great. Yeah, that was a good session. Let me know if you need it. Like I can also pick up another small thing. Actually. I will pick up.
No, I mean,
Pick up a small button or something. Yes.
I was not sure about this feature. I mean, I know there is a scanner and everything, but I didn't know that we can search for a particular area and we can just create an issue out of it. That is real.
Yeah, because this is something that I created, so I know.
Right.
Yeah, so yes, which is like yeah, if we follow this, then we can keep a track of all the issues, and we can ask other groups also to focus on their issues and like wrap it up and work on things. So yeah,
Right.
perfect. Okay, great. Let me know if you need any, but I myself will pick up an issue.
Right.
See how it goes.
Sure. I mean, let's target like this only. I mean, this was really a helpful session for me also.
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah,
will,
for me as well.
I
Yes,
will target few issues like that, and we can, I mean, share this, whatever findings we have.
yes, yes, yes.
I will
And
drop that anchor issue we found. I mean, related to hidden focus for
yeah, we can add
anchor
it to
links,
the group. Yes, we
right?
can add the product accessibility group and we can share this recording as well. So,
Sure.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.